Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram Reels music not adding problem. If you're using Instagram and you're facing the issue that your Instagram Reels are not adding music, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable your mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings, or you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you have done, just go back, go to Settings app, go to General, go to VPN and Device Management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with your VPN. After disconnecting, go back, go to Software Update. I also recommend you how to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issues or glitches. Then go back from here. Open your app store and go for search and simply search for Instagram. And you just have to make sure that you haven't any kind of pending update for your Instagram app. If you find any pending update here, just try to update your app. After updating your Instagram app, you just have to simply go back and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Not to do that, just quickly press and release the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, there's the only way. Just go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage here, look for Instagram app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app. So in case of offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app, it will be fixing this step and you will not get the issue again. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.